करेंगे।
The Delhi Chief Minister sent to judicial custody till April 15.
लोगों का एक ही मकसद है, इनको चुनावों में उनको जेल में डालना है। देश की जनता इस तानाशाही का जवाब देगी।
The political row over his arrest in connection with the alleged Delhi liquor scam intensifies.
Can any government run from behind the bars? The whole idea of a government is it has to run according to established norms. I mean, here is a government which has one minister, three ministers already behind bars. So they have a quorum, they can have a cabinet meeting inside bars.
The burning question on everyone's mind, how feasible is it for a chief minister to govern while in jail? Sunil Kumar Gupta, a former superintendent of Tihar prisons in New Delhi, sheds light on the challenges Arvind Kejriwal might encounter in fulfilling his official duties while in custody. The Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is authorized to designate a facility with appropriate amenities as a prison for special cases. However, if this isn't done in Kejriwal's case, the existing restrictions outlined in the jail manual could severely impede the CM's ability to govern from within prison.
सीएमशिप चलाना चाहें वो मेरे हिसाब से मुश्किल होगा, क्योंकि अगर रूल्स आप फॉलो करते हैं तो उस रूल्स में है कि एक प्रिजनर, कोई भी अंडर ट्रायल प्रिजनर है, वो 2 मुलाकातें कर सकता है अपने घर वालों से। फिर उस कोई भी कागज वो साइन करता है तो वो अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ सुपरिटेंडेंट जेल वो साइन करता है।
Moreover, the prison authorities are responsible for scheduling visitor meetings. Inmates are allowed to list 10 individuals they wish to meet during their confinement. Meetings are arranged via phone with only 3 visitors permitted at a time. A mesh separates the inmates from the visitors during meetings. Nevertheless, legal experts argue that an elected chief minister isn't constitutionally barred from carrying out their duties while in jail.
Because a man is in jail, and if there are certain functions which can be done or need his attention, it's always open to the courts to permit it, or even the prison authorities. The Constitution does not have a disqualification.
The decision now rests with the Delhi Lieutenant Governor to relax the restrictions and grant the Chief Minister the necessary facilities to fulfill his official obligations. Bureau Report, India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.